Hello and welcome to a Datalinx Warehouse Manager 200 video for Sage 200. In this video we are looking at purchase order receipting. Within my Sage screen I have created a purchase order. I have selected the supply warehouse and also the delivery requested date. The Warehouse Manager product can filter by these pieces of information. On this particular order there are two items. We have a blender, which is a non-traceable item, and we also have a can of paint which requires batch traceability and also a sell by date to be recorded. On my handheld device I select purchase order receipting and I can look the order up in a number of ways. Today I'll be looking out by order number. I enter the order number details and the handheld device looks at the Sage database to confirm this is a live order in this location. It now displays this information to the user to confirm it's from the correct supplier and it is due in today. The user accepts this by clicking on that item. Once we're within the order, we can see exactly which items are still due to come into the warehouse, and we can receipt them in any order. We scan a barcode and it takes us into the receipting process. As this is the first item on a purchase order to be received, it's requesting the supplier GRN field be filled in and now asking us to confirm details such as quantities and put away locations for this product. A secondary barcode scan, which is optional, appears at this point to confirm as we're putting the item on the shelf we've picked up the correct item. We can also produce barcode labels at goods receipt for any products that do not have labelling on the way in. I've pressed the receipt button and I've now had a message returned onto the handheld from Sage to confirm that line or that item has now been receipted successfully. It's in stock and it's available should you want to do something with it internally. Moving on to my next item, I have a similar process. You'll note it does not request the GRN as it is assuming the same GRN as the previous line unless we prompt it otherwise. But it is requesting our traceable details such as our batch number here and also our sell by date. Again, we are prompted to give it a put away location and we're prompted for our secondary scan. I confirm how many labels I wish to produce and I click receipt. As this is the last line on the order, we get our pop-up to say that that line has been receipted successfully. We also get a second pop-up to say there's nothing outstanding at this location. Within Sage, we can see that this has all been received. As we view the order here, we can look at the quantities and see that we ordered 10 blenders and received 10 and 20 cans of paint and received 20. We can also drill further into the information as with a standard Sage process, and we can look at the delivery details to see our Sage generated GRN, our supplier GRN we filled in on the handheld, the user that was logged in, and also any batch details, bin locations, etc. Thank you very much for watching.